Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a topic that I know many of you are interested in, how to learn to better manage your money with the famous 50-30-20 rule. Yes, that rule that can completely change your financial life. So get ready for a talk in which I will break down every aspect of this rule and show you how to effectively apply it in your life. What is the 50-30-20 rule? First, before we dive into the details, let's talk about what exactly the 50-30-20 rule is. Simply put, it's a financial management strategy that helps you divide your monthly income into three main categories: needs, wants and savings. The name is derived from the percentages you assign to each of these categories: 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants and 20% for savings. Needs, 50%. Let's start with the first category, which is 50% of your income going to cover your necessities. This includes essential expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, food, transportation and insurance. The idea here is that these are the things you can't avoid paying if you want to maintain a minimum standard of living. Managing this category effectively involves finding ways to reduce costs in these areas without compromising your quality of life. A key strategy for managing this category is budgeting. Keeping track of your expenses and creating a solid budget will help ensure that you are properly allocating that half of your income to necessities and that you are not running short of money to cover these essential expenses. Wishes, 30%. Now, let's move on to the second category, which is 30% of your income for wants. This is the fun part of your budget, where you can spend on things you enjoy but don't necessarily need to survive. This includes dining out, entertainment, non-essential purchases and any other luxuries you wish to indulge in. A key part of managing this category is setting limits and being mindful of your spending. You can use expense tracking apps to keep track of how much you are spending in this area and adjust your habits if necessary. Also, it's important to remember that while this category is for wants, you shouldn't go overboard and spend more than you can afford. Savings, 20%. And finally, we come to the third category, which is 20% of your income earmarked for savings. This is the crucial part of the 50-30-20 rule, as it allows you to build a solid financial future. This is where you save for emergencies, short and long-term goals, such as buying a house, a new car or even your retirement. To manage this category effectively, it's critical to set clear savings goals. What are you saving? How much do you need to reach your goals? Automating your savings is another key strategy. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account to make sure you're setting aside that 20% before spending on anything else. Advantages of the 50-30-20 rule. Now that we understand the three categories, let's talk about the advantages of applying the 50-30-20 rule in your financial life. First, it gives you a clear and simple framework for managing your money. You know exactly how much to spend in each category, which eliminates confusion and allows you to make informed decisions. Second, it helps you prioritize savings. Many people struggle to save money because they spend on wants first and then save what's left over, which is often not enough. With the 50-30-20 rule, you save first and then spend, which forces you to be disciplined with your finances. Third, it gives you financial security. By allocating 20% of your income to savings, you are building a financial cushion that will protect you in case of emergencies and allow you to work toward your long-term financial goals. How to implement the 50-30-20 rule in your life. Now that we understand the basics and advantages of this rule, let's talk about how to implement it in your life. Here are some practical steps. 1. Calculate your monthly income. Make sure you have a clear understanding of how much money you have coming in each month. 2. Identify your needs, wants and savings goals. Make a detailed list of your expenses in each category. 3. Apply the percentages. Divide your income according to the 50-30-20 rule. For example, if you earn $3,000 a month, allocate $1,500 to needs, $900 to wants and $600 to savings. 4. Create a budget, keep track of your expenses in each category and adjust your budget as needed. 5. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account to ensure you are meeting your 20% savings goal. 6. Review and adjust regularly. Life changes, and so do your finances. Review your budget and savings goals periodically to make sure you're on track. Conclusion. In summary, the 50-30-20 rule is a powerful strategy for managing your money effectively. It provides you with a clear and simple framework for dividing your income into needs, wants, and savings, which will help you take control of your finances and build a solid financial future. Remember that the key to financial success is discipline and consistency. If you follow this rule consistently and make adjustments when necessary, you will be on the right path to financial security and the realization of your financial goals. I hope you found this video helpful and are ready to implement the 50-30-20 rule in your life. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next video.